my dear students. I'm your Sandhya ma'am from MBPS Rawestganj, and today I'm just going to provide you class 10th poetry section, which is very important for your examination, and that is Dust of Snow. It is your first poem from your poetry, which is composed by Robert Frost. Robert Frost is an American poet, and he has been composed a lots of poetry which is lead the title and theme natural. That is why he is considered as a poet of nature and nature poet. Okay, firstly I'll be defining the title of this poem. Dust of snow. What is dust of snow? Dust of snow means the particle part of the snow has been fallen from the tree, that is called dust of snow. पार्टिकल मीन्स डू यू नो, छोटे छोटे कणों के टुकड़े या छोटे छोटे टुकड़े बर्फ के, दैट इज कॉल्ड पार्टिकल फॉर्म ऑफ द स्नो. ठीक है, ओके. एंड इट हैज़ 2 स्टैंजा and 4 lines that tells us that one stanza lead the sadness mood of the poet, and the last stanza said that the sad mood of the poet has been converted into good mood. Okay, before starting the stanza I want to tell you the short and synopsis summary of this poem. Okay, all of you know that sometime we got and we lost ourselves in the sad mood and sorrowful mood, and we lost all the hopes of the life. We thought that everything is finished of our life. In this situation we don't know that what we should do now. So in case we should go in the natural areas, because whenever we meet the natural elements in that mood, we found and we got the relaxation of the mind, peace of the mind, and calm of the mind. So in this poetry the poet was extremely sad and despair mood, very sorrow mood, and he went in the forest. There was a tree, and he is sat under the tree. Okay, so I'm just going to read out this stanza and you have to understand it very well. Okay, so your first stanza saying that the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. A way a crow shook down on me means there was a tree, and under the tree the poet was sat, and he was lost in his despair time. Suddenly a crow sat on the tree and he shook down that tree. Okay, and the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. And suddenly the dust of snow, the particle snow of the ice, has been fallen from the tree on poet. Okay, so in the first stanza we saw that the poet was extremely sad, and suddenly a crow came and he sat on the tree, and some of the particle form of the ice has been fallen from that tree. Okay, in the second stanza we will read that has given my heart change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Has given my heart change of mood means when the dust of snow has been fallen on me, it has been converted my mood, badness into goodness. Means my heart has been changed because of that snow falling. And the dust and save some part of a day I had rued. Rued means शोक करना. Okay, mourn करना, to mourn, to you can say worried and to disturb. And saved some of a day I had rued, and it has been saved my part of the life which I had been rued. Means, have you got the means of this stanza? I hope. Okay, in the first stanza we saw that the poet was extremely sad and despair mood, but suddenly there had been done a incident with poet. That's why his mood has been converted into badness into goodness. Okay. So in this poem, the poet wants to say that sometimes the small incident of the natural elements has changed our mood of life. Okay. And with this we can save our whole the days. ओके इफ़ आई से इन हिंदी, कभी कभी हम अपने कुछ पल को ख़राब होने से बचा लेते हैं प्रकृति के कुछ ऐसी घटनाओं की वजह से, जो घटना पोएट के साथ घटी। वो बहुत ही दुखी बैठा हुआ था। ही वॉज सैट अंडर द ट्री। एंड वॉट वॉज द नेम ऑफ द ट्री? दैट वॉज अ हीमलॉक ट्री. Hemlock tree, it is used especially for the poetries, and it means that hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. It is a symbol of despair, sadness and sorrowness. Okay, so I hope all of you have got this both stanza, and now I'll be tell you that this poetry has the rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme means, do you know, when our first line and second line and third line matching of the last word of the lines, it is called rhyme. Like a crow of snow, crow and snow are matching, it means it has rhyme scheme. Okay, so rhyme scheme of this poem is ABAB. Okay, because the first line of the poetry is a crow, and second line of this poetry is on me, and third line of this snow. Crow, snow matching, so that is a BB, and me is a different, that why it is crow rhyme scheme A, and me B, and snow C, and tree B. Okay, so crow A, me B, snow A, tree B. It means AB, AB. So your rhyme scheme is AB, AB of this poem. And second thing is that in this poetry, the poet has been used the two figure of speech, that is first metaphor and second alliteration. Metaphor means it is implied of simile, comparison of their things, that is called metaphor. And alliteration means the repetition of the word, like saved seems. There are two words has been used in this poetry, that is also known as a alliteration. Okay, and it is also the poet has been used the symbolic things. Symbolic means which is, you can say, seen by us, like that hemlock tree, crow, dust and snow. That is called symbolic. Symbolic means, if I say in Hindi, chitrit karna. Okay, so that was the poem. The poet has depicted that sometime our natural elements has been saved our life because of the small incident. So that was the poetry. I hope all of you have understood well. I'll be meet very soon in the next video, and the next video will be the grammar, and in grammar I'll be tell you. Till then, take care, be safe and Jai Hind.